everybody, my name is Minnie. Today I'll tell you a story. His name is The Cat on the Mat. Cat lives at home. She has pink socks, 2 posters, and 3 lucky rocks. Her father paints. Her mother writes books. Her sister sings. Her brother cooks. Cat hangs around. Her cat hangs around. She is in the way. She wonders what to do all day. She visits Rat. They sit and talk. They watch TV. They take a walk. This looks like fun. Rat wants to try. Cat isn't sure. She feels too shy. The coach is nice to Cat and Rat. He lets them tumble on the mat. They join the class. They learn to flip. Sometimes they bump. Sometimes they slip. Cat sees a map. She has a dream. She dreams of being on the team. Cat may be small, but she is strong. She works and works all summer long. The big day comes. Cat runs. She pounces. She twists and lands. Oops! Extra bounce. It is Rabbit's turn. She leaps. She scores. She nails it and gets good scores. Chick mounts the bars. She swings. She points her toes and spreads her wings. Cat swings is slow. Her swoop is small. He tries her best. She does not fall. Rat is so cool at balance beam. You know that she will make the team. But Cat is nervous and it slows. She wobbles and on a simple pause. The floor event comes after beam. It's Cat's last chance to make the team. The music makes her tap her feet. When Cat is good, she's hard to bet. Cat on the mat. Watch her go. 21 handspring in a row. Hooray for Rabbit, Chick, and Rat. They made the team. And so did Cat. Bye-bye, everybody. See you next book.